If your account has been frozen because Amazon received a temporary restraining order obtained by a law firm going to court, usually in Chicago, and persuading that judge to freeze your account, and you resolve it by allowing that law firm to keep some of your money, if you pay them out of your Amazon funds, you're looking at a 60-day plus time frame to get that issue resolved. So if you're going to pay, if you're going to settle, right or wrong, we strongly suggest that you pay that settlement out of other funds so that it happens much, much faster. We don't know why Amazon's taking so long to release your money, but it is. So if you're settling a case where there's a TRO freezing your account, freezing your inventory, freezing your money, and you're basically out of business, wire the money instead, and then you collect from Amazon so that you just get back into business that much faster. If you want to learn more about litigation against Amazon sellers by TROs and other cases, or you're an Amazon seller or a brand and you're considering suing somebody else, go to our website and put right here in the search bar, litigation against brands, temporary restraining orders. Any issue that you have, run it in our search engine. I can virtually guarantee you're going to find information that'll be helpful to you.